exploring the challenges of renewable energy. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new lesson. Today, we will be diving into an interesting topic in environmental issues: the challenges of renewable energy. Renewable energy is a term you've probably heard often, but today we're going to look at some of the obstacles and difficulties that this type of energy faces. Let's get started. Before we discuss the challenges, let's quickly recap what renewable energy is. Renewable energy is energy from sources that naturally replenish themselves, such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, and geothermal heat. They are seen as a promising way to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and mitigate climate change. One of the main difficulties faced by renewable energy is the technical challenges. The technology used to capture and store renewable energy is often expensive and not as efficient as we would like it to be. For example, solar panels can't generate electricity without sunlight, and wind turbines can't produce power without wind. In other words, renewable energy can be unreliable due to weather conditions and the time of day. Another hurdle to overcome is the economic challenges. While renewable energy can save money in the long term, the initial costs for installing these systems can be high. This includes the costs of the technology itself, installation, and maintenance. Furthermore, the economic feasibility of renewable energy can also depend on government subsidies and incentives, which can vary greatly from place to place. Even though renewable energy is beneficial for the environment, it also faces some environmental challenges. Large-scale solar farms and wind farms, for example, require vast amounts of land which can disrupt local ecosystems. Hydropower, while a significant source of renewable energy, can dramatically alter waterways and negatively impact aquatic life. That brings us to the end of this lesson on the challenges of renewable energy. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that the potential benefits of renewable energy far outweigh the drawbacks. As technology advances and becomes more affordable, we can expect to see a shift towards more widespread use of renewable energy. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every new word learned gets us one step closer to mastering the English language. See you in the next lesson.